Dito pa rin tayo sa Grace Residences to check this foreclosed condo unit. Okay, but before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, 8th floor, Tower B. Around 27 square meters. And around 3.1 million regular price. Discounted price is around 2.8 million. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance. In-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So, ito ang view niya from the balcony area. Yan. City view. Yan, kitang-kita yung skyline ng BGC and Ortigas. And then kita rin yung Marikina Valley. Yan. Okay. Malapit lang po tayo sa BGC, sa Taguig City Hall and McKinley Hill. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, message us directly. So lahat ng movables inside the unit, hindi po siya kasama sa sale. Okay. Ipo-pull out po yan ng bangko prior turnover. And lilinisin po siya. Yan, yan tulad yan, yung mga chairs and table, yung sofa, cabinets. Yan. Lahat ng movable. So again, if you are interested, message us directly.